Today we are going to talk about bow and arrows. You see, there are three common types of bow. We have the traditional one, or also called as trainer bow. Next up, we have the recurve bow, which we will talk about later. And the last one is the compound bow, the strongest of them all. Simply, the recurve bar, particularly consists of several parts. The riser, the middle part of the bow, a set of limbs on the upper and lower part of the bow, the brace height, the distance between the nocking point and the grip itself, obviously, the string, the nocking point, and the limb bolts.
Five steps to hit the target. Fast, safe, simple step. 1. Stance feet, shoulder width, perpendicular to target. Step 2. Nock the arrow, clip it on the string, rest on the shelf. Step 3. Grip relaxed hand, bow arm straight. Step 4. Draw and anchor, pull to face, consistent anchor point. Step 5. Aim and release, relax fingers, follow through, practice safely, repeat.
Bow riser. Riser is the central part of the bow that connects the upper and lower limbs. It provides the main grip or handle for the archers. It holds key parts such as the sight, arrow rest, and stabilizer. It also connects and supports the bow limbs to maintain balance and stability. There's a few types of riser, such as wooden riser, which is the traditional and classic riser, aluminum riser, carbon riser, and takedown riser, which limb can be removed or replaced.
Next, nocking point. Definition is the nocking point on a bow is a piece of plastic or metal that keeps the arrow in the place on the string. The nocking point provides a consistent position as well as force when the arrow is released. The main function is ensure the consistent arrow flight. Without a nocking point, the archer might place the arrow slightly higher or lower on the string for each shot. Second, prevent the arrow from sliding, which is during the drawing process the bowstring is under tension. The nocking point prevents the arrow from slipping up or down the string, which is cause an angle consistent shot.
The bowstring, the heart of the bow. Hi everyone! Today I'll briefly talk about one of the most important parts of a bow, the bowstring. What is a bowstring? The bowstring connects the upper and lower limbs of the bow. When you draw the string, it stores energy, and when you release it, that energy transfers to the arrow, launching it forward with great speed. Materials. Modern bowstrings are made from strong synthetic materials, such as Dacron, Fast Flight, or Kevlar. These materials are lightweight, durable, and designed to stretch very little, giving consistent shooting performance. Key parts. A bowstring has several important sections. The center serving, where the arrow is nocked. The nocking point, which ensures the arrow is always placed in the same position. And the end loops, which attach the string securely to the bow limbs. Care and safety. To maintain your bowstring, apply wax regularly to prevent fraying, and always replace it if it looks worn or damaged. Proper care ensures both accuracy and safety when shooting. So that's all from me. Thank you.
The sight window of a bow is the cutout section on the side of the riser that allows the archer to see the target more clearly when aiming. It provides a visual path between the string, the arrow, and the target, helping the archer line up their shot with greater precision. Typically located just above the arrow shelf, the sight window also helps minimize arrow interference with the bow's body as it's released. In modern recurve and compound bows, the sight window is often paired with a sight pin or scope, while in traditional longbows, it remains a simple, elegant cutout that balances function and craftsmanship.
Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Halisa Nur Hafiza binti Hairuddin. My matric number CD24002, and now I want to show how to use an because of learning the archery grip is very important in archery. The correct grip improves carry and consistency in every shoot while helping to prevent injury to the hand and the shoulder. It also ensures safety as an incorrect grip can cause the bow or to twist or slip out of the control. With the right grip, and anchor can handle the bow better and shoot with greater confidence. Thank you.
Bullet point. Definition for bullet point is the arrow point is the front tip of an arrow designed to push or impact the target. It currently for accuracy, penetration, and purpose in accuracy. There's three main functions of it. First, control penetration and impact energy. Second, affect arrow balance and flight stability. Third, designed for specific use. And there's four types of it. First, fling point, broadhead, blunt, and target point. That's all.
Arrow part shaft. Definition: the shaft is long, straight center part of the arrow. It forms the main body and hold all other arrow components, the point, the friction, and knob. Main function is to provide the strength and support so the arrow can fly smoothly toward the target. It also determines the arrow fly based on the weight and flexibility. Shaft have four types: wood shaft, aluminum shaft, carbon fiber shaft, and fiberglass shaft.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Sarah. Matrix number CD24028, and I will be talking about deflecting. So deflectings are the wings of the arrow at the back of the arrow shaft before the knob. So it helps to stabilize the arrow in the air to fly straight and accurately to the target. So for fletchings, there are two types of materials used. One of them is using bands, which is a more plastic-looking fletchings, and feathers, which is more traditional. Bands are usually more commonly used nowadays, and there are two types of fletching orientation. So there's straight, offset, and hurricane. That was all. Thank you.
Dry fire. When the bowstring are pulled back, the bowstring stores the kinetic energy. And when bow shoot an arrow normally, the arrow absorbs the stored kinetic, propelling the arrow forward. Dry fire. Dry fire is an archery term meaning to release the bowstring without the arrow knob. This causes the energy to be transferred to the bowstring and limb, increasing the damage risk. The possible risk of dry fire is first, broken limb from it snapping. Next, injury to the archer. And third is damaged string.